course of action. Why are we sitting back waiting for the orcs to strike? We should attack! Surely it is better than doing nothing.
You would have us meet the orcs on open ground? That would be madness. It is written in the Codex Astartes that this situation calls for a defensive action.
Of course. You are right. Perhaps patience is the better virtue here.
Brothers, the orcs have overrun the city. This transgression shall not stand. We will fight until the last orc is dead. Heavy bolter turrets have been made available to us. Be sure to place the landmines are now available for placement in our enemy's paths.
I did well. I shall never tire.
The Emperor protects. Reporting, sir.
Yes, most
The orcs maintain an iron grip on the city's strategic points. We must break their hold and deny the orcs their supplies.
Following orders. The Emperor protects.
Consolidating position on the objective. Ever vigilant.
Yes, most beneficent one.
Walk softly and carry a big gun.
We're here. Following orders.
Consolidating position
Reporting,
on the
sir.
objective.
Following orders.
Faith is our
We're
shield.
here.
Greenskins.
The Emperor
The
protects.
enemy is attacking.
We're here. Reporting, sir.
Yes, most beneficent one. Initializing build protocol. Yes, most beneficent one.
Yes, my lord. Enemy is attacking. Defending objective attack formation.
The Emperor protects. We're here. Yes, my lord. We're here. We're here.
Yes, Lord. I will
At your
do as
command.
you ask.
Direct us to the enemy.
Here to serve.
Blast and damnation! A sacred
We're here.
machine cult has misfired and landed somewhere within the city.
my shield.
We
Yes,
must
my
recover
lord.
the structure
We
and
stand
any
ready.
survivors.
Initiating attack protocol 23.
The blasted
Engaging
orcs
the
have
enemy.
built their infernal
Reporting,
structures
sir.
within the city walls.
Ever vigilant.
Destroying these structures is
Beware
vital
the alien.
if we are to regain control over
Knowledge
the
is
city.
power. I did well.
Yes, most beneficent
Ever
one.
vigilant. At your command. Under fire.
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
Heresy grows from height. Position secure. Stay vigilant, brothers. Commencing attack. Marine squad deployed. Kill. Charge.
I await your instructions.
What's your order? Orders
Here
received.
to serve. Initializing build protocol.
Marine squad. Deployed. At your command. Initiating attack protocol 23. For the glory of the Imperium. Yes, my lord. Charge. Direct us to the enemy. We'll crush the enemies of the Imperium. We are the Emperor's chosen. Fear denies faith. Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. What's your order? Heresy grows. Enemy is attacking. What is your order? Red ever urged. Kill. Engaging the enemy. At your command. Heresy grows from idleness. Fear denies faith. Faith is our shield. We are the Emperor's chosen. At your command. Maintain attack. Fear denies faith. Fear our wrath. Fear denies faith.
Here to serve.
Emperor be praised. The machine cult is still intact. We must get a servitor to finish its construction immediately.
Fear our wrath.
What would you have me do?
Fear not the Psyker.
My faith is my shield.
Yes, my lord.
Heresy grows from idleness. Weapons at
The
ready.
Emperor
It
protects.
is time.
Yes, sir.
Under
Reporting,
fire.
sir.
Here to serve. With
Defending
all due
objectives.
haste, I shall obey. I exist to serve. As you wish.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
I command in the name of the Emperor.
Ready. None can stand before us. Do I detect uncertainty in your purpose?
This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium.
Marine squad deployed. We are the Emperor's chosen. Fear our wrath. Your order?
Yes, Lord? Build routine 721 initiated.
Fear not the
Taking
Psyker.
heavy fire. Marine squad deployed. Maintain attack formation. Yes, my lord.
Yes, Lord?
Even in death I still
We
serve.
stand ready.
Beware the Emperor.
Marine squad
First
deployed.
step on the road to disappointment.
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
Fear not the Psyker. My powers are
Walk softly and carry a big gun.
Fear not the Psyker.
Praise the Emperor.
Marine
Space
squad
Marines,
deployed.
advance!
Taking damage. We stand ready. We stand ready.
I
Moving
command in
out.
the
Here.
name of the Emperor.
At your command.
Fear denies faith. What is your order? Heresy grows from idleness.
The revered dreadnoughts are standing
Marine
by.
squad deployed.
Build
Denies
them
faith.
at the machine cult.
I am the instrument of his
Here
will.
to serve. Yes, most beneficent one. I will do as you ask. I will do as you ask.
Praise the Emperor. For the glory
Knowledge is power.
of the Emperor.
Hide it well.
Yes, my lord. Weapons at ready. It is time. We stand ready. What is your order? What is your order? Fear our wrath. Fear our wrath. Heresy grows from idleness. Maintain attack. Imperium. Initiating attack protocol 23. Commencing attack. Commencing attack. None shall stop us. Commencing attack.
Today the enemy shall be my powers are yours.
Faith is our shield. Onward to glory! Commencing attack. Charge! Fall back! Engaging the enemy. Ever vigilant. Taking hits.
I await your instructions.
Fear denies faith. Ever vigilant. Heresy grows from idleness. Returning to battle. Moving out. At your command. At your command. Direct us. We will crush the enemy of the Emperor's chosen. Weapons at ready. It is time. Yes, my lord. None shall stop us. Fate is our
He
shield.
who stands with me shall be my brother.
Orders received.
Beware the alien.
What is your order?
While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace.
For the glory of the Imperium, we will crush the enemies of the Imperium. Initiating attack. Under fire. Returning to battle.
Walk softly. Carry a big gun.
Charge.
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby. He who stands with me shall be my brother.
We are the Emperor's chosen. Claim it in the name of the Emperor. Direct us to the Emperor. We are the Emperor's chosen. We are the Emperor's chosen. Direct us. We stand ready.
Today the enemy shall
Fear
fall.
denies faith. Ever vigilant. Fear denies faith. We stand ready. What is your order? Awaiting orders. Yes, my lord.
He who stands with me shall be my brother.
Innocence, only degrees of guilt.
The enemy is attacking.
Command me.
He who stands with me shall be my brother.
Position secure. The area is secure. At your command.
Yes, Lord? Here to serve. Initializing build protocol.
I have awoken.
Taking
At
hits.
last, back to war. At last, back to war. To me, my brothers. I am ready to serve again. I will purge the unclean.
Yes, most beneficent one? With all due
Faith is
haste.
our shield.
Yes, Lord?
Fear not the Psyker.
Commencing attack.
Venerate the immortal Emperor.
The enemy is attacking.
Faith is eternal. To me, my brothers. Burn, heretic. It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself. Even in death I still serve. I shall end you by his word.
Here to serve.
Faith is our shield. Weapons at ready.
Command me. I am ready to serve again.
Initiating attack protocol 23.
I am the instrument of his will. Command me. At last, back to war. Even in death, I still serve. At last,
Initiating attack
back to
protocol
war.
20. The enemy is attacking. Understood. Initiating attack protocol 23. Stay vigilant. Orders
I am
received.
ready to serve again.
We are the Emperor's chosen. Commencing
What is your
attack.
will?
I am the
Taking
instrument
heavy fire.
of his will. For the Emperor.
None shall stop us.
Yes, most beneficent one? With all
We
due
stand
haste.
ready. Yes, my lord. Understood. Stay vigilant. Commencing attack.
Faith is eternal.
What is your order?
Command me.
Moving out. Orders received at your command. For the glory of the Imperium.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
Orders received.
Even in death, I still
Ever
serve.
vigilant. Engaging the enemy. Initiating attack protocol
Even
23.
in death, I still serve.
For the glory of the Imperium. Fear denies faith. Objective acquired. We are the Emperor's chosen. Taking
Yes,
heavy
Lord.
fire.
I shall obey. Build routine 721 initiated.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
Taking haste. Onward to glory. Stay vigilant, brothers. Charge. Orders received. Ever vigilant. For the Emperor! Claim it in the name of the Emperor. At your command. Understood. We will crush the enemies of the Imperium. We are the Emperor's chosen. Heresy grows from fall back and regroup! To me, my brothers! Charge! We stand ready. The
I await your instructions.
Position secure.
Yes, my lord.
Here to serve. I will
We
do
are
as
the
you
Emperor's
ask.
chosen. Attacking as ordered. Fear denies faith. Heresy grows from idleness.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
Praise the Emperor. For the
An open
Emperor.
mind is like a fortress with
Ever
its gates
vigilant.
unbarred and unguarded.
I am the instrument of his will. I am ready to serve again.
Fear our wrath. Charge!
For the Emperor. I am the instrument of his will.
Taking heavy fire.
Fate is eternal.
Awaiting orders.
Fate is eternal.
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be
At
nearby.
last, back to war. At last, back to war.
Engaging under fire. Faith is our shield. Moving out. Weapons at ready. It is time.
Even in death I still serve.
Today, the enemy shall know fear.
Even in death I still serve.
Moving out. Attacking as ordered. Fear denies faith. We will crush the enemies of the Imperium.
Even in death I still serve.
For the glory of the Imperium. Orders received. Moving out. Orders received.
Even in
brother.
death I still serve.
Heresy grows from idleness. Commencing attack. Understood. Engaging the enemy. Charge. Under fire.
What would you have?
Understood. Orders received, brother. What's your order? Moving out.
At
Taking
last,
aim.
back to war.
At your command. Understood. Fear our wrath. We are the Emperor's chosen.
I am ready to serve again.
Stay vigilant, brothers.
Even in death I still serve.
Faith is our shield.
I am the instrument of his will.
Maintain attack formation. Weapons at ready. It is time.
Knock it off, all of yous. We's moving out. We's not gonna stay and fight. I's the biggest orc here, which means I's the leader of yous lousy bunch of kits. We've been waiting and waiting to fight these Marine boys, and we's gonna stomp them back good. To do that, we need the strength of all the boys, not a small, weak mob of rats like yous boys. Use your skull for something besides thumping. We's orcs, and we's were made for fighting and winning. Sure thing. You're the boss. We's gonna go get Big Boss Orc among us. He got something special planned for these humies.